Yeah, Assalamu alaikum, all the viewers. First of all, if you like this video, so please share this video and like and subscribe the channel. The topic of today's video is very important. It is the we will talk about today on the fintech industry, and we will also get the info about this, and we will also learn in today's video that what is a fintech and how we use fintech, what is a fintech, why we should use fintech, and what are the major trends which are coming in the fintech. First of all, I will tell you about this, that fintech is basically the combination of the two words finance and technology. When we combine the two things, finance and technology, finance is basically the way, finance is basically the process to obtain the loans, to obtain the funds, to obtain the money from the finance providers, which can be the banks and when the lending institutions, from the finance providers to the company. So the finance is basically the process in which we got the very good we got the very you can say that we do the deal to obtain the loans or to obtain the money for the company. So the finance is basically this thing. And after that, if we talk about the technology, so technology is basically the use of the IT, the use of the networking, and the use of the fifth generation technologies, or you can say fourth generation technologies, which will be used for the finance. So now there are the two combinations, or there is the combination of the finance, you can say, and the technology. So that becomes the fintech. The main word is fintech. When we talk about the fintech, so fintech is basically the process in which the finance and technology both combines with each other to provide the good financial services, or you can say to improve and automate the delivery process of the financial needs of the consumer. You can say that they automates that any company which is the fintech company, or which any startup which is the fintech startup, so that startup is basically doing the process of improving or automating the delivery process of the financial services. After that, if we talk about the fintech companies, so fintech companies, business owners as consumers, they are doing the financial operations processes, and they are basically using the specialized softwares as well. They are using the financial specialized softwares and algorithms. They are using, their computers are using their computers uses algorithms, and that algorithms are basically used for the providing of the different kinds of services to the consumers. We have the many type of the firms in Asian countries, in US, in European countries, where the fintech companies, they are the fintech companies or startups which are working, and they are in the process to improve the financial needs of the consumers, and to improve the and to service the community. Now when we talk about the financial technology, to financial technology or the fintech, they are basically fintech has basically invented the digital money, you can say. The fintech has basically used the artificial intelligence. Fintech has used the blockchain technology. Fintech has used different mobile banking and internet banking, and you can say the smartphones for providing the services to the consumers. So these all technologies like the artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cyber security, and different kinds of other technologies, when combines, and after combine, when they work for the financial to provide the financial facility to any consumer, so we say that it is a fintech company. Now fintech is using in the money transfers, depositing a check with a smartphone. We can now in this age, we can now deposit the different type of checks of the different banks to them. And after that, bypassing, we are now for getting loans, the people are getting loans on their smartphones without going, without the need of going to the branch. So similarly, in this way, the peoples are managing their investment through the fintech. So now, there are the different types of companies which are involving in the research or in the involving in the development of the fintech applications for the consumers, like the all the big four audit firms like the E and Y, and you can say that PwC is working on it, and you can say that Deloitte, yeah, these three companies like the EY, Deloitte, and PwC, they are majorly doing research on the artificial intelligence, cloud computing, blockchain technologies, distributed ledger technology. Inshallah, on these few technologies, we will do a separate video in which we will learn about it. But these technologies are some of the technologies which the companies are using nowadays for to get the better financial opportunities, or to exploit the you can say that exploit the opportunities which they have now. If we talk about the different type of examples, so I can give the few examples, like the like different companies which I am going to take the name of those companies, like the Affirm, like the Better Mortgages, like the Green Sky, Tala. These few firms which I have taken out from the thousands of the companies all over the globe which are providing the services of the these fintech. So these companies are basically using fintech for providing the mortgage services. These are providing to credit like the small loans, microfinance to the consumers. And yeah, so in this way, these are the different companies which are providing the services of the finance, like the Affirm and Better Mortgages, which I named here, and Green Sky and Tala. These companies are providing different kinds of services, like micro loans, like you can say home improvement borrowers, loans for the to home improvement borrowers, and mortgage financing, or credit card facilities. Those borrowers who have not the credit card, or they have not the good credit standing, so they provide the facility to them. So in this way, these companies are growing in the Europe, you can say, and US, North America, Canada, and in many country areas of the world, and many continents of the world. These are growing very fastly. Now in Asian countries, they will also come here. So this is the fintech age, you can say. And after 2000, you can say after 2000, they have grown at very large rate. And now fintech, now the revolution of a fintech is going to come. So in this video, we try to explain the basic concept of the fintech. However, we cannot cover all the topics of the fintech in this small video, but inshallah, I will in future I will make new different other videos as well, and we will also do separate videos of the distributed ledger technologies or the blockchain technology. If you like this video, so please comment in the comment section, or also like it, share it to your friends and family. We will next time we will come with any other good video. Assalamu alaikum.